Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. This is Brad Langdon, MarineMax Stuart. This afternoon, I'm going to walk you through a 2024 Scout 240 XSF powered with a 300 Yamaha. This boat is equipped with the Seakeeper Ride feature. Nice large swim platform, shark gray hull with traditional Scout lettering. Boat has a hardtop, rocket launchers on the hardtop. Again, it has a 300 horsepower Mercury outboard, swim ladder to starboard, a starboard walk-through door. Moving forward, you have a nice big leaning post, recessed dash for electronics, an aft seat that folds out, a live well, port corner, again a hard top with life jacket storage. Notice the traditional Carolina flare on this boat. Very ample forward seating. As you see, you also have a nice forward settee, storage underneath. If you'd like to see this boat, please stop by MarineMax Stuart. Again, my name is Brad Langdon, 704-215-3599.